Memphis Ghost is in the building, y'all. I ain't seen him in person yet since he been here. Cool fella, y'all. All the real donk racers and stuff, they putting their name in their wheel now. I'm finna call John boy. We're gonna have to stick Solid Killer in one of his wheels. Put Lookout in there too. Hood can fly off mid-pass, and he still want to make a full pass. Yeah, he throwed off. He pretty throwed. Oh, somebody didn't screw it down? Yeah, he ain't give a damn. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too. Look out, look out.